even from our accountability days, the most important competency for true accountability is not doing what you say you're going to do. It's how are you going to recover when you don't do what you say you're going to do.
Which is going to happen all the time.
It's going to happen all the time because we're
human.
We're human and we're imperfect. So it's all about the recovery plan, which by the way is practiced as much as performing well on any sports team, music group, or theatrical group. They've got plans if the prop breaks, if someone forgets their lines, if someone doesn't move to the right place, all of that is worked out ahead of time.
Yeah. Well, and they have something that's literally called a win or a loss. If you have a loss, that's a clear evidence that you have to fix something. So they
That's
have
right.
something, and we don't have that in business.
Right.
You don't have just a
A
loss.
loss. Right.
It might come yearly, it might come quarterly, but
Yes.
it doesn't come with the immediate feedback loop that sports does.
Yes.
Well,
and just taking that one as an example, if I'm a 250 hitter, let's call it a 200 hitter, my batting average, that is the metric, and I don't make the team unless I'm a 250 hitter, I'm not going to be thinking about 250 when I'm up there at bat.
Right.
I better be thinking about my execution. How am I getting released on the ball? How am I watching the ball? How am I dropping the bat? How am I following through? That's what makes you a better hitter. It will result in a 250 score much later.
Okay.
But the metric doesn't change first. The execution always changes first. And we're so big in organizations on measuring leading indicators to be ahead of the game. You're still behind the game. Until you have a way to measure the execution that's going to get you the measurement, you're already behind.
Okay.
And the organizations that pick up on that the soonest are the ones that are going to win the game. Because as competition keeps increasing, those that are only operating based on metrics, you're too late.